Hello friends, welcome to my channel Let's Learn English. Friends, in this video I will do two things. First, I will tell you the difference between in, on, at, and then I will also tell you the conditions where to use in, on, at correctly. So, first I will tell you what does at tells us. Okay, now at is the preposition that tells us the exact location or point. Suppose there is a man standing at the door. It means a man is standing next to the door. Okay. Next, I will tell you when do we use in. So, in tells us when one object is inside some bigger objects. One example I will give you, like I put some coins in a box. Okay. As I told you, when one object is inside the bigger object. Now, in this sentence, I put some coins in a box. Coins is one object and box is one object. The box is the bigger object. Now, coins are completely covered by box. Okay. It is inside. Okay. So this is where we use in when one object is completely covered by the bigger object or it is inside the bigger object. Next, I will tell you when do we use on or what on tells us. On we use when one object touches the surface of other object. I have already discussed in my last video. Still, we need to recapitulate things. That is why I am telling you. For example, three bottles are kept on the table. It means the bottles are touching the surface of the table. And as I told you, we use on when one object touches the surface of the other object. So, now I think in on at is clear to you. Now I will tell you, friends, that there are some objects with which we use more than one prepositions. Okay, so that is what we are going to discuss now. Firstly, I'll take this object table. Okay, we do not use in with table, but only in one case we use. For example, a man is drilling a hole in the table, but we don't use it general. In general case, we most of the time we use on and at. That is why I have given here cross. Next, on. Yes, we do use on with table in most of the cases. For example, books are kept on the table. So books are touching the surface of the table. Okay. Next is we use at also with table. How? I'm telling you, suppose a man has gone to restaurant and he's sitting uh, next to the table. So what sentence we can frame here? We can say a man is sitting at the table on chair. Okay, it means a man is sitting next to the table on a chair. We use at when something is next to the other object. Okay, when one object is next to the other object. I hope this is clear to you. Next is the door. So friends, we do not use in with door, and but we use on. How? For example, a man is knocking on the door. It means man is one object and the door is other object. Now, when he is knocking, he is touching the surface of the door. Okay, that means uh, that time we use on. And we also use at the door. For example, a man is standing, okay, next to the door. So what sentence we can frame? A man is standing next to the door. Okay. Or a man is standing at the door and we mean it that a man is standing next to the door. So when we have to explain that someone is standing next to the other object, that time we use at. Next is fridge. We do not use at with fridge, but we use in on. How I'm telling you, a very common example like fruits are in the fridge. Okay, so it means fruits one object and fridge is the another object. Fruit is fruits are inside one bigger object. What is the bigger object here? Fridge. And fruits are inside that. Okay, it means fruits are completely covered by the bigger object. Next is on. Suppose when we talk about sticking something like magnet or any stickers, then we use on with fridge. Okay. Next is street. When do we use on or in with street. We do not use at. For example, a man is walking on the street. Okay, it means a man is walking on side of the street. Side of the street we also say pavement. Okay, or you can say footpath. So this is what we mean when we make a sentence, a man is walking on street. Sometimes we also say a man is walking in the street. It means a man is walking in the middle of the street. Okay, but in most cases we use on. Next is hotel. We do not use on hotel because in on means one object touching the surface of the other object. With hotel we use at most of the time. For example, my friends has called me, okay, and he asks me, "Where are you?" What I will tell him, "I'm at the hotel." Exact location I'm telling him. So now my friend knows that I'm at the hotel. He knows my exact location. Now we also use in with hotel. How I'm telling you, suppose two friends have gone to the hotel, okay, and both of them are in that hotel. Okay. Now, suppose Ram and Shyam. Ram has called up Shyam and is asking, "Where are you, Shyam?" So Shyam says, "I'm in hotel." Why? Because that time both of them are in that hotel. Okay. Shyam knows that Ram is also in the same hotel. So he tells, "I'm in the hotel." That time we can use in the hotel. Now again, Ram asks, "Where in the hotel?" So he says, in my room, okay, or in the room. So that time, that case, we use in, and we never use uh, at or on with room. We always use in. Okay. Next is again Shyam is asking Ram, "Where are you, Ram?" Then he says, "I'm in the lobby." Lobby means place where people wait. Okay. Next is again Ram is asking him, Ram is asking Shyam that, "Where are you?" Then Shyam says, when he is standing next to the elevator, he says, "I'm at the elevator." Okay. And when he goes inside the elevator, he says, I'm in the elevator." Okay. So I hope the use of in, on, at is clear to you now. Okay. Now, friends, there are some fixed expressions with which we use only at. Like in case of airport, at the airport, at home, at school, at work, at party, at college, at university. So, with all these, we can only use at, okay, in any case. So, we have to commit this in our mind, okay. So these things are fixed where we have to use at. Now you see in case of uh, in, okay. For example, in the sea. Now we can frame a sentence like fish is in the sea, or in the sky. Birds are in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky, or cloud is in the sky. Next is in my backyard. For example, we have a swimming pool in backyard. Okay. So these are the fixed expressions, okay, where we have to use in. Next, see here, couch. For on the couch, on the floor. One sentence we can frame with on the couch is like, uh, what sentence we can frame? Like, I like to lie on couch and watch TV. It means the person is touching the surface of the couch. That is why we have used on the couch. Okay. Next is on the floor. Sometimes I like to lie on floor. Okay. It means the person has touched the surface of the floor. Next is in the newspaper, in a movie, on TV, on radio. I will tell you one thing over here, friends, is like this section is about media, and when we talk about this, newspaper, movie, TV, radio, we need to keep some rules in our mind. Okay. For example, in the newspaper. With newspaper we have to use only in. This is fixed. Okay, like one sentence I can frame. I read an interesting article in the newspaper. Okay. I like watching fight scenes in movies. We do not say on movies, we say in movie. Okay, it is fixed. Okay, next is on TV. I like listening to talk. Sorry, I like this is on TV, right? So one example I can give you: Spider Man is one of my favorite cartoon on TV. Okay, so we don't say in TV. That means inside. Okay, these things are fixed. Okay, where we have to use on. Next is on radio. So what sentence we can frame with on radio? Like I like listening to talk shows on radio. Okay, so it means what? All these are something related to media, but at some places we are using in, and we are also using on. Okay, because these things are fixed. Okay, there is no such things which we have to follow, or this is a rule which we have to keep in our mind. We have to commit this to our mind. Okay, that's it. Next is in case of vehicles. Now you must be thinking why I have written here in a car, in a boat, and over here on a bus, on truck, on plane. I am telling you why do we do this? Because when we are talking about small vehicles like car or boat, then we use in. But when we are talking about big vehicles, that time we use on. Okay? For example, my father is waiting for me in the car. Okay, that time we use in because car is a small vehicle. Next is like me and my family had an amazing ride in a boat. Okay, boat is a small vehicle. That time we use in. On a bus, suppose your friend uh, calls you and he asks, "Where are you?" Then you say, "Just now I got on the bus." Okay, so in that case we use on. So with bus, truck, or any big vehicles we use on, and small vehicles we use uh, car and in. Okay, but in case of bicycle we do not use in. We say I'm sitting on bicycle. Okay, we do not say in. So I have not discussed over here, so that I have not written it over here, but I have discussed with you. Okay, so only this much for today. Friends, to know the use of in, on, at in more detail, you can drop your message. Okay, I will explain you. Only this much for today. I hope it is clear to you. Till then, bye bye, take care. And if you like my video, please share it with your friends as well. Thank you.